Hey guys, it's great to have you today at my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. Today I'm going to show you how to do a base makeup just like this one. It includes using a moisturizer, a primer, a foundation, a concealer to conceal all your spots and blemishes. It also includes contouring and highlighting and putting a blush on. So all of it is right here. So keep watching it till the end. I'm starting by applying a seaweed oil control lotion from the Body Shop, and even though it contains SPF 15, the good part about it is it doesn't really oxidize. Next, I'm using a primer by Colorbar and I'm applying it with a flat brush. I really like this primer because it not only holds your makeup for long hours, but it also gives a blur effect to open pores, blemishes, acne and pimples. Now for my base, I'm using a Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation, Warm Beige 05 tone, and I'm applying with the same flat foundation brush that I used previously for my primer. I haven't really used a concealer yet, as this product acts as both a concealer and a foundation, and I'm evenly applying this full coverage foundation all over my face. I usually prefer full coverage foundations over sheer foundations. Next, I'm using this HD Pro Concealer by LA Girl and I'm applying it to all those areas where I feel it needs a little more coverage, like under my eye area, around my nose and my lips. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to blend these sections and diffuse any patchy areas. So there are times when I use a concealer before a foundation, but that's moreover when I have a temporary blemish or a pimple. Otherwise, I prefer applying it after my foundation to gauge the areas where it still needs coverage. I'm setting the foundation and concealer with a loose powder by Bharat & Doris 07 tone by a damp beauty blender. I prefer using a beauty blender over a makeup brush at times because it not only deposits the right amount of product but also absorbs the extra oil from the skin, and plus it mattifies the skin. Today I'm going to show you how to contour under your cheekbone, under your jawline and the area below your jawline, your temples and your nose. I'm using this oval makeup toothbrush for contouring and I'm applying this product by LA Girl Pro Contour Cream medium tone. I'm packing this creamy product right below my cheekbone and blending it a bit. Next, I'm packing it below my jawline and blending it in a downward motion. This just helps your jawline for better definition and it also gets rid of a double chin. I'm also packing the product onto my temples and the further corners of my forehead. I'm highlighting my face with a Studio Fix Fluid Foundation by MAC and I'm applying it with a flat brush. I'm basically filling in all those areas where I haven't contoured. Coming back to contouring, I'm using a fluffy blending brush to contour my nose and I'm doing this to define it even better. I'm using this thin flat eyeshadow brush for my Cupid's bow. I don't really have a prominent Cupid's bow, but I'm creating it with the help of contouring and highlighting. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm just going to nicely blend all the highlighted sections and the contoured sections for a nice seamless, flawless and a lovely natural finish. I'm using this loose powder once again just to set all those highlighted areas, and I'm dabbing it very lightly to all those areas where I have highlighted and concealed. It just kind of helps the highlight to stand out. Then I'm grabbing this Maybelline Master Contour Palette. This is a very cool tone kind of bronzer shade, and I'm taking it on my angular brush and setting all those contoured areas like my cheekbone, my temples, my forehead and my jawline. Now from the same Maybelline palette, I'm lightly going to apply a blush on for a very natural finish. Now grabbing this L'Oreal highlighter, I'm gently applying it on all the higher sections of my face, like the upper area of my cheekbone, the higher sections of my eyebrows, my nose and my upper lips. A highlighter just makes you look so radiant and gives you a very nice and natural glow. Coming to the end of my tutorial, I am just finishing my whole look with a nude lip liner and a lipstick called Spirit by MAC. It has a very nice satin finish and it just complements my whole look. I hope you all liked my video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.